Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Geo Kimberlite, our source of diamonds. Today we are discussing a scholarship sponsored by Piaggio. Piaggio Shiksha Se Samruddhi scholarship for the class 10 pass students. Those who are taken the admission in 11th and 12th standard, for them the Piaggio Shiksha Se Samruddhi scholarship has been sponsored. I am Dr. Sajid Ondekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, AKI, Pune College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Can, Pune, Maharashtra. Everyone knows the three-wheeler manufacturers of three-wheelers, rickshaws. So they are sponsoring the scholarship, and the intention is very clear. They wanted to support meritorious students. So the support to the children or wards of the drivers or owners of three-wheeler. That's why I thought this is the important scholarship. And most of these auto rickshaw drivers students are required a scholarship to complete their 11th and 12th standard to go for the higher educations. So here this scholarship has been sponsoring the 80% of the total fee reimbursement and up to the maximum 20,000. Those students who has got admission this year, those who are passed in this current year and they got admission in the 11th standard, Arts, Science and Commerce, for them it will be given. Now the Piaggio vehicle, everyone know, 100% owned subsidiary of Piaggio Group of Italy, and they are the motorcycle, that is the two-wheelers. They are the brand name is there, and they are now manufacturing the diesel, petrol, CNG, LPG fuel variants in India in three-wheelers as well as in two-wheelers. And they are sponsoring this scholarship, and there are 2.9 million satisfied customers are there all over India, and they have been spread their business in 50 countries. So that is what we have, the background about this scholarship. But the important one, in this scholarship, what will be the criteria or eligibility criteria for application for this particular scholarship? The first and foremost, very important one, it is open for all children and wards of the drivers or owners of three-wheelers community. They are not mentioned that you have to have only the Piaggio. If you have the TVS or Bajaj, you can apply for this scholarship. The student must have passed the class 10th with at least 60% marks, and they enroll in 11th and the 12th standard. So they have to be there in the 11th standard. Annual income must be less than 3 lakh rupees. So here these are the 4 conditions. First one, they are giving the scholarship to the children or wards of drivers and owners of the three-wheeler community. Second one, the student has to pass 10th standard at least with 60% marks, and they have to be enrolled in 11th and or 12th standard in the recognized institute in India, and the annual income is less than 3 lakh rupees. Now what are the benefits? They are going to get 80% of the total fee reimbursement or maximum up to Indian rupees 20,000 per year. So the duration will be there for the 2 years. The documentation, the passport size photograph of the applicant, Aadhaar card, class 10 mark sheet, fee receipt of the current year where he has taken the admission, vehicle RC book is required, commercial driving license, family income. In that any one of this document, form 16, income certificate, salary slip or ITR, any one whichever is available with them, with the family, these documents they have to scan and upload on the before 31st March 2021. How you have to go and apply for this scholarship? Everything is there on the online. So I could not get the link, so directly I gone to the Buddy for Study scholarship portal, and I got this information from that portals, and I already had chat with them. So they are supporting all the information, and they told me that, sir, you can prepare the videos and spread the awareness among the students. So in the community in India, so there is these scholarships are there, and people, the parents and as well as students are not aware. Myself is could not know that the PRG is also giving a scholarship for the various criteria. So today we are just this video we are going to see those students who has passed the 10th standard and got admission in the 11th standard. So go on buddy for 4th study, register on that portal with your ID, with the help of email ID, mobile, Facebook or Gmail with anyone, and from there you can apply for this particular scholarship. So there will be directed, the page will be comes out and you have to apply for this scholarship. This is a good scholarship. I request viewers as well as subscribers, try to pass these particular scholarship. Otherwise, I know I'm not recommending anything that you can pass on the message, but this is a very important one, so that any one student, the deserving student can apply, and if he get the scholarship, he can complete his education. So he requires assistance. So please pass on the message, or otherwise straightway check out in your family, close families, your friend, or in a group, anyone is there, you know very well. Tell them that this is a scholarship is there, go on the portal and apply for this scholarship. And especially the NGOs who are there, I request them to find out the appropriate family and let them to fill the form, and their students can extend their dreams and complete their educations hereafter, because there are a lot of scholarships are available. Tell them that this is the schemes are there, they can, with them they can go for the higher education. Thank you, have a nice day.